Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, a tonneau cover, skid plates, and a blind spot monitoring system. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.